Hello. So I just wanted to make a video showing these two cool projects that I found. Um, One is called C Mangoes, stands for Continued Massive Network Game Object Server, which is pretty much it's a World of Warcraft emulator. It's free and open source, and it's really cool. Well, so what I've set up is the classic server because I own the old World of Warcraft, and I learned quite a bit when setting it up. So, and I'm not gonna make a guide on how to set it up. If you want to set it up, I recommend this really great guide on doing that. Um, it's made for Ubuntu, but it worked well on my Debian server. And this person shows how to set it up and how to set up the SQL server as well. So it's pretty good if you want to set it up yourself. So what the CMangoes people have done is they have basically made it so you can easily implement a large language model to be like the one that interacts with you. So the NPCs pretty much uses the AI that you have, and they recommended this. What do you call it? At the front end for AI that runs GGUF models called Cobalt CPP. And to set it up, if you're using Linux, you just download the precompiled binary. You can also build it up yourself if you want, but they recommend just downloading the binary. So I just wanted to make a video showing how this works or how it looks. And yeah, let's go to my other computer. So I haven't started the server yet. Let me start it. So it's gonna load everything. It's gonna take a bit. And maybe while this is loading, we can start the Cobalt server. Let's see. I think I will use this one. I'm gonna use the BPO22B model, which is what they recommended. The Cobalt CPP people recommended. So I'm gonna use that. You can even use a smaller model if your GPU is not that great. What I'm currently running is a GTX 1070 laptop version, and I'm not gonna offload anything to VRAM because I might go when I'm streaming as well, or out of memory. Let's see if it works though, or if it's gonna crash. Seems the server has started. I can log in. Already made a character, test this out earlier. Let's see, so it works. Let's see if I can interact with some AI. It's AFK. These aren't real people, by the way. These are AI people, or these are NPCs. Let's see. Doesn't seem to be on. Maybe we need to turn it on. Do I need to be in the same party? Or do I need to interact? Maybe I need to interact with a non-AFK. Oh, now it worked. Let's see. It looks kind of choppy because I'm streaming it from a different laptop. Oh, seems to answer me. I am well, cool. How are you today? See, let me just kill this mob. I'm good. Tell me, who is the greatest basketball player of all time? I think in this server, I think I have set up so it's like 500 characters overall. Yeah, 502. There are 502 NPCs. And I think it's usually like only 50, so like 10% of that is active. Otherwise, I'm gonna need a better computer. See, it doesn't seem to answer me. I haven't really played World of Warcraft since like 2011. I quit during Cataclysm. So I just really saw this and wanted to test it out, kind of for nostalgia reasons. Seems to be interacting. Many would argue Jordan or LeBron. So the AI seems to work, or the LLM. And if you don't want to play, you could just let the AI play by itself. So he's telling me LeBron is the best basketball player of all time. Did I see that? I prefer Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Cool. So yeah, I just wanted to show this is pretty cool. It works. You can just imagine it's gonna work better if you weren't streaming or if you had a better laptop or computer for that matter. It's very slow because it's everything is running on Wi-Fi and I'm streaming this from a different computer. Um, and what I really like is if you're playing this, maybe you want to play World of Warcraft, it it gives the illusion that you're playing with other people. And I kind of like that. You're like solo playing, but at the same time, it feels like you're not alone. If that makes sense. Yeah, the AI are like interacting with each other. It was pretty cool. But yeah,